cucumber, ginger, maize, pumpkin, chili, cabbage, carrot, sweet potato, green beans, garlic, onion, gourd, nutmeg, spinach, coriander plant, drumstick, water spinach, lettuce, passion fruit, persimmon, betel nut, mulberry, hazelnut, acorn, chili, black pepper, leek, arrowroot, cumin seed, rose apple, potato, tomato, brinjal, lady's finger, bitter gourd, rich gourd, turmeric, cauliflower, snake gourd, groundnut, cinnamon, clove, pear, date, lychee, jackfruit, custard apple, lime, tamarind, star fruit, lemon, fig, peach, avocado, banana, apple, pineapple, guava, grape, watermelon, water chestnut, almond, pomelo, walnut, quince, mangosteen, Marion plum, cashew nut, plum, durian, orange, strawberry, alligator pear, coconut, pomegranate, chestnut, olive, papaya,